What is up there, SEO pros? How you guys doing? So a lot of you guys have been having problems figuring out how to do your rank tracking. I did do a video of this in the past, but it was in one of my huge SEO courses, the complete guide I made. So I'm just gonna create a specific video so you guys don't have to go through all those videos just to figure out how to do it. Also, check this out, guys. I'm live on YouTube right now, even though I'm not actually live. I figured out a way to do this. You can see people think I'm live right now when I'm totally not. I'm live with you guys right now. So this is actually legit. I'm not actually pre-recording this right now. Like, this is legit. So if you ask me a question, I'll be able to answer it. But yeah, so all you have to do is use this thing called Wirecast. If you guys want to know how to set this up, I can make a separate tutorial for that as well. Just let me know in the comments. So all you have to do really for your rank tracking is figure out what you want to use first of all for your rank tracking. I use something called SEO Profiler. And the reason why I like this is because it shows me actually alerts when I'm ranking for certain things. I know other tools do this as well, but I just really like this one because it's in a really nice layout, and I'll show you what this looks like. So I'll just go into, we'll go into my website, or my property for my website. Click into there. We'll go to Ranking Monitor, Alerts, and then we'll go by the last 30 days. And it also shows you the rankings for all the different search engines, which is pretty cool. So if I go through here, you can see, look, these are all the different things that I'm achieving rankings for. But at the same time, if I go to here, it'll show me the negative changes, the things that I'm dropping for. So this is always good to look at as well. So I'll show you how I do this. Clark says, what are the other top tools for keyword tracking? So yeah, so SEMrush would be one of them. Ahrefs, you can use Moz, you can use whatever you want. Ideally, though, you want to figure out where your keywords are, and that's the biggest part, and that's like what I'm actually creating this tutorial for. So you can, of course, go find your keywords manually by using something like Keyword Finder or keywordtool.io and figuring out where your keywords are. But in my opinion, it's a lot easier just to go into your website on your search console and just figure out what your keywords are already, and I'll show you how to do this. So we'll go to Search Console, click into here, and what we'll do is we'll go into our property, which is right here. And what we'll do is we'll go into our search analytics. We'll go to Google Index, search traffic, search analytics. We're already here. Impression, and then we'll go by impressions, click-throughs, and positions. You don't have to do this. I just like to look at it. And then we'll go by last 90 days. And then these are all the stuff that we're ranking for, or all the things that we're ranking for. And then at that point, all we have to do is just get all our rows. I don't like to go anything past like things that maybe are under a click, and I'll show you what I mean in a second. All you have to do is just press download. We'll do CSV. And I have to open this as something else. I can't open this as Excel because I ran out of my subscription on Excel. So I just use Apache now. And let's see if I can open this in the folder. 1 second. I'll just look for it. Chase Reiner. And last modified 5.9, so that's today. Open file location. And grab this. And we'll do open with Open Office. Leonard says, how many keywords do you track for clients? A lot. So depending on what the clients are ranking for, some clients have way more keywords than others. Okay, so what we do from here is I have to open this in a certain way. Let me go to US. I guess it doesn't really matter. I just have to figure out, I think it's tab separation. There it is. So press OK, open it up. These are all my keywords now, and you can see these are all the clicks and the impressions and the click-throughs and the positions. So generally, I don't like to track keywords that are below like a click, because that means the other things that I'm showing up for, they're not even getting clicks in the first place. Now you can track those if you want. You can track all of these. It's just that the more keywords you track, the more you have to pay usually for the different tools to track all these different keywords. So I'm just gonna grab all these. We'll go down to like here. I usually track about like 100 for the small sites, and then if they're bigger sites, I'll track even more, like 200 to 300. And what we'll do is we'll go into here, and then we just go to rank keywords. And we'll go to add keywords, put our keywords in here. You can put specific tags, you can put it location based by city. I don't do that. And then we'll just do add new keywords. And now they're all added, and I don't think they add duplicates. So so if you're updating a list which already has certain keywords in here, you're fine. And then it takes a little bit. I think it takes like an hour or two, and it'll update your list with all the new keywords you're ranking for. And this is a really great way to start tracking, you know, good positive changes and negative changes. Now, something that I haven't invested in yet, which I'm going to be doing a tutorial on soon, is something called SEO Radar, which will also help you correlate your rankings with the changes you're making on your site, so you can see if something's dropping because of a certain change you made, and it'll help you like recover from that, or show what actually is making a difference. So this is a really great way to start building out case studies as well. Clark says, cool, I'm working with a startup who just created a website. I did some tactics from Brian Dean and competitor analysis in SEMrush. What do you recommend with no previous data? Yeah, so in that case, the same thing. You don't have to use Search Console. You can use something like Ahrefs or SEMrush, and you can just export the current data. So we could also cross-check this like this. Go into Ahrefs, go to Organic Keywords. And this is going to be the same stuff you'll see that I found in Search Console. And all you have to do at that point is just export it. So we would just go export. Boom. It keeps opening this in Excel. And then you'll have that same list pretty much. And then you can just plug them in. So if you don't have Search Console, you don't have to do that. It's just easier because you don't have to buy any. I'm trying to show you guys how to do this pretty much free. The thing about Search Console, SEO Profiler, you do have to pay. I think I pay like $97 a month or something. Leonard says, I'm using SERPlab at the moment. It's really simple rank tracker, very cheap. Yeah, so like I said, you guys can use whatever you want. I just use this because I like the layout, and I also like the other things that it comes with. I actually have a tutorial on just SEO Profiler alone if you want to check out more of what it can do. I think I have an affiliate link there as well if you guys want to sign up and get a discount. I think if you just go to YouTube and then type in SEO Profiler, you'll be able to find it. There it is. Nick says, does rank tracking software violate Google Webmaster Terms of Service? One of my clients asked me if we are getting risk of the penalty. Webmaster Guidelines saying sending automated queries to Google's violation. Well, sending automated queries to Google is not rank tracking. That's like doing automated queries. Rank tracking is just keeping track of the positions of your certain keywords. Nick says, I just wanted to see if you heard of anyone getting a penalty from using rank tracking. I've never heard of that. So I really would. I mean, there's so many people that are using rank tracking because it's really smart to do. So yeah, if you guys want to check out this video, like I said, I have an affiliate link here. You can get a discount on SEO Profiler. You can also check it out and see if this is something you'd even want to use in the first place. This is what I use for pretty much all of my clients. So I think it's pretty useful. I even use it for myself. So yeah. If you guys haven't done so already, please leave a like. And if you haven't checked out the course that I made, I'm on video 7 right now, and it's super cheap, like 97 bucks for this course. You just go to my website and then go to SEO course. You can sign up and start learning how I get all these clients and how I set all this stuff up and how I close all these clients. So anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and until I see you all next time, happy SEOing.